Yeah, what I really love about placing dental implants is helping folks replace single teeth to also replacing multiple missing teeth. The most lifelike and the most natural replacement of your teeth. What makes us better here at Magnolia Falls Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center is a lot of our technology is second to none, state of the art, and the fact that we pride ourselves on every patient that comes through that door is going to be treated exceptionally, and we take that also to the every visit that they come and every encounter. I think a lot of our patients realize pretty quickly when they walk through the door that we have their best interest in mind, and I would hope that every form and fashion and an experience that our patients have, they see that through and through. Here at Magnolia Falls Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Centers, we pride ourselves on the quality of care and the quality of the dental implants that we place. We place a lot of them, and we love the fact that we are really good at it, and we've been doing it for a long time. We want to deliver that same care and quality to everyone. So when you lose a tooth and you don't replace it right away, a lot of times you lose bone over time. And for different people and in different health statuses, that can be a short amount of time or that can be a long amount of time. And it's really not a good idea to be able to leave a tooth, a space with no tooth for a long period of time, because you lose bone, and then you may not be able to restore that in the future. So anyone that's interested in dental implants, I recommend that first of all come into Magnolia Falls Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center and let us show you what kind of options you have to get your beautiful smile back and get you feeling healthy and confident once again.